In today's globalized world, many countries use immigration and citizenship as tools for development. China, however, follows a very different approach. Although Chinese law allows foreigners to apply for citizenship in special cases, in reality, only a very small number of people ever receive it. This raises an important question. Why is Chinese citizenship so rare? To understand this issue, it is necessary to look beyond legal procedures and consider history, culture, and long-standing policy choices. China is one of the world's oldest continuous civilizations. Throughout its history, the idea of being Chinese has carried a meaning far deeper than simply holding a passport. It has long been connected to shared culture, historical memory, and collective identity. Unlike countries that were built through large waves of immigration, China developed primarily from its native population. Because of this, citizenship is often understood as belonging to a long-established cultural community rather than a legal status gained through residence or economic contribution alone. This perspective continues to shape how nationality is viewed in modern China. Citizenship is not treated as something that can be easily obtained, but as a reflection of long-term belonging and identity. Another important factor lies in how the Chinese state manages its society. China has a very large population and operates under a highly centralized system of governance. In this system, citizenship is closely linked to a wide range of rights and responsibilities, including residency status, access to social benefits, and legal protections. For this reason, expanding citizenship broadly to foreigners is not seen as a practical or necessary policy choice. China also does not recognize dual citizenship. Under current law, anyone who becomes a Chinese citizen must give up their original nationality. This makes naturalization a serious and irreversible decision. In a world where many countries now allow dual citizenship, this requirement discourages most foreigners from applying, further reducing the number of people who seek Chinese citizenship. In addition, China does not rely on immigration as a primary driver of economic growth or demographic balance. With a large domestic workforce, the country focuses on developing and managing its own population. Rather than offering citizenship, China provides alternative options for foreigners, such as long-term visas and permanent residence permits. These options allow individuals to live and work in the country without changing their nationality. From the government's perspective, residency and citizenship serve different purposes. Living in China does not automatically imply becoming Chinese. Citizenship is closely tied to national identity and sovereignty, and for this reason, it is treated as an exceptional status rather than a standard administrative pathway. In conclusion, China's strict approach to citizenship is not accidental or temporary. It reflects a long-standing view of nationhood, identity, and governance shaped by history and social structure. This is why many foreigners may spend years, or even decades, living and working in China, building careers and personal lives there. Yet only a very small number ever become Chinese citizens in a legal sense.